Are you looking to become a social media influencer? Then Instagram is one of the best ways to start your journey. Maximize your efforts with some tips and tricks to help grow your page. Tip 1. Username. A good username helps users find your content and remember who you are. For example, if you created your account to focus on hair and beauty, you don't want to be using a username like Fish for Life, it's confusing. Remember, relevance is key. Tip 2. Consistency. Posting regularly and reliably is one of the key ways to grow your follower base. Whether that's once a week or once a day, having a consistent posting schedule helps your followers to know when to expect new content. Even posting your posts at the same time every time will give your followers something to look out for. Tip 3. Engagement. To have the best chance at having your content picked up by Instagram's algorithm, interact with your followers when they comment on your content. You can do this from anywhere. Engagement within the first 60 minutes is that sweet spot that Instagram seems to love. Has a follower mentioned that they love your shirt? Say thank you, and tell them where you got it from. Tip 4. More engagement. Follow similar accounts and interact with them. People often check out accounts that are interacting with their content frequently, so if you've got similar interests, and you're also engaging with them, they're more likely to join your content too. Tip 5. Don't rush. Growing your account will take time and effort. Anything worth doing is worth doing well. Instead of waiting for your numbers to grow, take that time to plan ahead on your next posts. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow my paths on social media.